Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to your class. This is for class 10th subject English. I am your teacher Ms. Naya. In the previous video I have read out the chapter for you with translation. I hope you have understand my all the I hope you have understand the uh, explanation of the chapter, and if you have any kind of difficulty you can uh, you can uh, you can contact me and I will guide you. So today video is about exercises of unit number 1. The name of unit number 1 is simplicity and humility of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As you can see the name of the unit, and this is the exercises. It's on page number 5. First one is grocery. Grocery means when words meanings. We have difficult words here, and the meanings of meaning of of that words. All right, it's I think it's 10 to 12 words meaning. Okay, second we have question answers. It's 1 to 5, and the answers are given in the notes which you can collect from the school. Then we have question number B. Choose the correct option. Okay, on the next page we have vocabulary, writing. Okay, these questions are have been skipped out from the course, so you can leave them, and we came to page number 8. So this is grammar portion. It is question number 1, and it's about nouns, noun and types of nouns. So question is choose the correct option for each sentence. Success is an example of countable noun, uncountable noun, abstract noun or material noun. So you know about all about nouns and the types of nouns. So the answer is C. Sugar, number 2. Sugar is an example of countable noun, abstract noun, uncountable noun or collective noun. The answer is countable noun. Honey is an example of dash. Options are countable, uncountable, abstract, collective, and the answer is uncountable. Bravery is an example of, the options are countable, abstract, uncountable or material. The answer is countable noun. Number 5. Sorry, no, it's not countable noun. Bravery is an example of countable, abstract, uncountable or material. So the answer is abstract noun. Tables is an example of countable, uncountable, abstract or collective noun. The answer is countable noun. Okay, now question number B, we have write the correct plural of nouns in the parentheses. So the question they have given us the statement. Okay, there is a word here. We have to change the singular form into plural form in the fill in the blank. So I will do all of them for you. This person, okay, this person is, we have to change this word. You can see the word in the bracket. We have to change this word, the singular word, into plural one. The person are protesting against the president. The person, the persons are, okay, we will put S here. The woman over there want to meet the manager. The woman, we have to put A instead of E. WOMEN. Okay, my child dash hate eating pasta. My children hate eating pasta. Okay, never write children's. Okay, only write the child. The plural form of a child is children. My children hate eating pasta. The dash are doing the exercises right now. The students, all right, the students are doing the exercise right now. The fish, the dash I bought is in the fridge. The fishes, where did you put the dash, which were on the shelf? Okay, we have knife and shelf, and as you know that when the word end with F, we change the plural form into VES. So where did you put the knives which were on the shelves, right? KNIVES, knives, and shelves, SHELVES, shelves. Dash are expensive. Pianos are expensive. Alright, we have pianoes. Pianos are expensive. The phenomenon are non fully understood. Okay, we have two. The phenomenons are not fully understood. Number C, we just came on to number C. Some nouns change meaning in the plural form, that is arm and arms. Arm, a part of a body. Arm, weapons. Use both the singular and plural noun below in sentences to show of difference in meaning. Okay, we have different kinds of singular and plural here. We know, so I will explain the meanings here, and you have to make sentences on your own. Good means acha, so you have to use that word. And goods means saman. Wood means lakdi. Woods, jungle. Spectacle means बहुत अच्छा. And spectacles mean चश्मे, glasses. Character मतलब आपका किरदार. कैरेक्टर्स, अदाकार. मैनर्स, तरीका, एक काम को आप किस तरीके से करते हैं. मैनर्स, आदाब या तौर तरीके. काम आप आपके जो लाइक गुड मैनर्स, बैड मैनर्स यू कैन से. फोर्स मीन्स जोर लगाना. फोर्सेस आप कह सकते हैं ताकतवर फौज जो होती है. So, came on to page number 9. It's question number D. Identify the noun phrase in the following sentences. Okay, we have here noun phrase. I will tell you about noun phrase, verb phrase, or any other phrases in my next video, inshallah. So I have solved out the exercises in the notes. Question number E, we have complete each sentences with a properly formed noun clause. Okay, we have noun clauses. I will inshallah I will tell you in the next video what are the clauses and what are the phrases. So all the exercises including in unit number 1 have been done on the notes which you can collect from the school. I hope you understand all the details I have been explaining you in the video. Thank you so much.